Welcome back to Fitness Tips. If you've been struggling to get those elusive lower abs to show up, or if you just want to build a stronger, more defined core from the comfort of your home, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to share with you 3 incredibly effective exercises that target your lower abs. No gym equipment needed, no fancy machines, just pure, proven moves you can do anywhere. Stick around because the last exercise is a game changer and often overlooked, but it's the key to unlocking those lower abs faster than you think. Before we dive in, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on our weekly fitness secrets. Alright, let's sculpt those abs. When it comes to training the lower abs, many people get it wrong. They focus too much on traditional crunches and sit-ups, which mostly target the upper abs and do little for the lower region. The lower abs are tricky because they're deeper and require precise activation. Plus, the stubborn belly fat often hides the muscle definition underneath, so building those muscles and reducing fat go hand in hand. The exercises I'm about to show you will not only activate your lower abs but also improve your overall core strength, posture, and stability. Have you ever wondered why some people have those sharp, chiseled lower abs while others just can't seem to get there, no matter how many crunches they do? The secret lies in targeted muscle activation and consistent training, combined with smart exercise choices. So, if you're ready to get that six-pack popping and really build your lower abs, keep watching because we're going beyond the basics today. The first exercise is called the reverse crunch. You might have heard of it, but what makes it special is the way it focuses on lifting your hips and lower back off the ground, which zeroes in on the lower abdominal muscles. Unlike traditional crunches, where your upper body lifts off the floor, the reverse crunch involves bringing your knees towards your chest while your upper body stays relaxed. To perform the reverse crunch correctly, start by lying flat on your back with your arms by your sides. Lift your legs so your knees are bent at 90 degrees and your calves are parallel to the floor. Now, engage your core and use your lower abs to curl your hips off the floor, bringing your knees towards your chest. Hold for a second at the top, then slowly lower your hips back down without letting your feet touch the floor. This controlled movement is crucial because the lower abs work hardest when resisting gravity during both the lift and the descent. One thing many people get wrong is using momentum to swing their legs up. Avoid that. Slow, controlled movements are what make the reverse crunch so effective. Aim for 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps. You'll feel the burn deep in your lower belly, which means you're doing it right. If you're already feeling the burn from the reverse crunch, wait until I show you the next move. It's like hitting the lower abs from all angles and really challenges your endurance. Plus, it's a fantastic way to torch belly fat, which is crucial if you want those muscles to actually show. The second exercise is the leg raise with a hold. This one is simple to perform but incredibly effective when done properly. It not only targets the lower abs but also engages your hip flexors and improves core stability. Lie flat on your back again, with your legs extended straight and your arms at your sides for support. Slowly lift your legs up until they form a 90-degree angle with your torso. Now here's the important part. Instead of just lowering your legs back down immediately, hold your legs at about a 45-degree angle from the floor for a few seconds. This is where your lower abs are under constant tension, making the exercise far more effective. Lower your legs slowly back down without touching the floor, then lift again. This tempo, lifting, holding, and lowering, keeps the muscles engaged throughout the movement. To make this exercise more challenging, try to keep your lower back pressed firmly into the floor. If you feel your lower back arching, bend your knees slightly or place your hands under your glutes for support. Perform 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps with a 3-5 second hold at the bottom. This will not only strengthen your lower abs but also help build endurance so you can maintain core stability in other exercises and everyday activities. Ready for the third exercise? This one might surprise you because it doesn't look like a typical ab workout. But trust me, it targets the lower abs like no other move and improves your overall functional strength. perfect for making your abs pop and helping you move better in daily life. The third and final exercise is the mountain climber with twist. Mountain climbers are well known for being a fantastic cardio move that also hits the core, but adding a twist takes the focus directly to the lower abs and obliques. Start in a classic plank position, with your hands shoulder width apart, body in a straight line from head to heels. Now, instead of simply bringing your knees straight to your chest, bring your right knee toward your left elbow, twisting your hips slightly as you do. Then, quickly switch sides, bringing your left knee to your right elbow. The twisting motion engages the lower abs and the muscles around your waist, creating that tight, defined look. Plus, because it's a dynamic movement, mountain climbers burn calories and fat, helping reveal the muscle you're building underneath. For best results, do 3 rounds of 30 seconds each, with 15 seconds rest in between. Keep your core tight throughout the movement and avoid letting your hips sag or rise too high. Focus on quality over speed. Fast is good, but control is better when it comes to your abs. Now, I know you might be thinking, these exercises sound great, but how long will it take to see results? Here's the truth: consistency is king. You need to commit to training these exercises 3 to 4 times a week while pairing them with a healthy diet and cardio to reduce fat around your midsection. Building lower abs isn't just about working out, it's about your lifestyle. Drink plenty of water, eat nutrient-dense foods, and avoid excess sugar and processed foods. That way, your abs can shine through. As you progress, you can increase the intensity by adding ankle weights during leg raises or increasing the hold time. You can also combine these exercises into a killer circuit to boost your metabolism and shred fat even faster. And here's a bonus tip: never underestimate the power of mind-muscle connection. When doing these exercises, visualize your lower abs working. Feel the muscles contracting and relaxing. This focus not only improves form but also maximizes muscle activation. It's like turning on a switch inside your body that gets those abs firing like never before. Before we wrap up, remember these exercises don't require fancy equipment or hours at the gym. Just 15 to 20 minutes a day, done consistently, can transform your core strength and appearance. Keep challenging yourself, stay patient, and you'll be amazed by the results. Thanks for watching Fitness Tips. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and comment below your favorite exercise or any questions you have about building lower abs. Don't forget to subscribe for more effective workouts and fitness advice delivered right to you. Stay strong, stay consistent, and see you in the next video.